Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are talking about Loreal Paris Total Repair 5 repairing shampoo and conditioner range that has now Keratin XS in it. That's the wow factor it's renewed with, and I'll tell you about my feedback using this product and how I liked it and what are my feedback on using this. Like, this is my one of the favorite shampoo range, but this time this has more Keratin XS, that means more nourishment to your hair. So without much further ado, let's get quickly started. This is how the shampoo packaging looks like. It's kind of the same that original packaging has, but this has now 4% extra repair concentrate with Keratin XS in it. This range will work on your 5 signs of damaged hair, that are straw-like structure, brittleness, dehydratedness, stiffness and split ends. And also it will repair your hair with making them smooth and shiny. Texture of the shampoo is similar as before. You can see the back packaging that has directions, ingredients and what areas it will work on. And it retails for 179 rupees for 192 ml of bottle, and the shelf life is also for 3 years. That is a huge thing, and also it's good to store as well. Conditioner packaging is also same as before, but it has 9% repair concentrate with Keratin XS that will make your hair more nourished, more soft, more shiny, and it will also repair your hair with your 5 signs of damage. With summer heat, our hair feels so dehydrated, so lifeless, but this range will help you get nourishment, and also it will repair your hair. So on the back of conditioner, the details are there for directions and other things you can check and read out for your own. And this retails for 209 rupees for the same quantity, 192 ml, and the shelf life is also 3 years for this. Then we have a repair serum in this range, that is a tiny packaging for 175 rupees, 40 ml of packaging, and this is a very good serum for your hair if you are looking for anything for nourishment, for shiny and detangled hair. This makes my hair so detangled in like just some drops, and my hair was so smooth and so shiny after applying this. And I'll show you how I apply this after the hair wash. And yeah, this was all about the range, packaging and how it works on your hair. So I'm applying the serum after my hair wash, and I've done the shampoo and the conditioner before, so I now apply the serum, and I took just 2-3 drops, or you can say a very little amount, in my palms and rub it, and then I'll apply onto the hair length. You don't need to apply this to your roots, just hair length is enough, just like we add conditioner to our hair. So this will make your hair so detangled, you will not need to even comb your hair. Like my hair is, you can see the before and the after picture. The after effect is so smooth and so shiny and so detangled. And also with this summer heat, this range will fight your 5 problems with one solution. So that was all about this Total Repair 5 range by Loreal Paris. I loved it before and I loved it more now. This is one of my favorite range in the shampoo by Loreal Paris. So I must recommend it to you. You can check my description for the link, and I'll meet you in my next video with some another thing. Till then, bye bye, and thank you so much for watching this video.